I'm gonna make some crispy tuna sushi today on the Blackstone griddle. And I know sushi is not supposed to be cooked. I'm not cooking the tuna. I'm just gonna cook the rice and crisp it up. It's kind of a unique way to make sushi. Start by cooking some sushi rice according to the directions. We're going to spread the rice over some parchment paper. You want a nice thin layer. Spread it nice and thin, trying to make sure it sticks together and it's squared off as best as possible. And now what we're going to do is we're going to kind of cut this into pieces because we're going to fry some little rice patties on the Blackstone. Alright, and so we're going to cut this up into some cubes, okay? So I'm going to cut it kind of small because we want to be able to distribute it evenly across all these rice patties. So honestly, that knife isn't very sharp, so hold on. When dealing with something like this is a job for your Blackstone Japanese knife. So we're going to bust this out because we want a nice clean cut on this tuna. Oh yeah, that's so much better than that other knife. These are nice knives that Blackstone has put out, and they're relatively cheap for a nice Japanese knife like that. I think this whole set, I think it comes with 3 knives, is only like $30, $30 or $40. Alright, so we've got our tuna, avocado, green onion all mixed up in there. So now we're going to do a little bit of sriracha in there, some of this Tamari soy sauce, like a decent amount of soy sauce with it. We're going to do a little bit of sweet chili sauce. Finally, sesame oil. Just a little bit of that. We're going to mix this all up real good. So now I'm going to take my rice that I had cut up and portioned out, and we're going to take it over to the griddle. We're going to fry it with some sesame oil. So we're going to throw down some sesame oil here. We'll be pretty generous with this because we are frying this. I'm gonna turn my heat low. Alright. So now you can take each of these little rice patties, set it right on there. Gotta be gentle with them. This is why we use sushi rice, though. Not only because we're making a sushi dish, but because the sushi rice sticks together really, really good. So if you get it formed into your shape and then you let it cool, it should hold that shape. As long as you're gentle with it. Oh, that was over a little bit. Alright, so we're just going to let that fry up. Only on one side. We're only going to cook one side. Alright, so here we've got our fried rice patties here. And now we're just going to top these with our tuna avocado mixture. So once we get those loaded up, we're gonna finish them off with a little bit of Japanese barbecue sauce. A little bit of Sriracha Mayo. And just for a garnish, to make them look pretty, I'll throw on some sesame seeds. And there you have it. So there it is. We have our crispy fried tuna sushi. So let's actually give one a try here. See how it is. It's going to be a little messy. But it's really good. You get all those flavors from the sushi, but it's on like a crispy rice patty, so it's almost like having it on a cracker or a thing of fried rice. But it's very good. So there you go. Make sure you check out my channel, like and subscribe. It really helps out a lot. Thank you.